This is the bioglass. I put it into the bowl.
Yeah.
And then I turn on the pump.
Yeah.
See how the water,
Anti-clockwise.
the movement of the water is anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
And then the water from the dispenser pump up and then go through the hole of the bioglass and then go down again to the dispenser and then cycle up again, go up again, go down again, and then the cycle become a cycle. So this one can run for up to you for how many cycles do you want. Usually we can put
all night,
all day,
yeah.
half day, or whatever, how you feel comfortable.
What's so different, David? This water, the tap water, then the water already running through the bioglass.
The difference is change the molecule become a hexagonal molecule
from pentagonal.
From normal pentagonal, and then you increase the pH level from maybe if our tap water is 7, increase maybe more than
7. So
more than 7, yes.
Up to 8.
8.5 or something like that.
Then what is bioglass, David? What's so special about the bioglass?
Bioglass is look like normal glass, but it consists of 14 minerals from the earth, including the jade. So this is the greenish color is the color of the jade.
Give power, yeah. Now, David, can you show us what's the difference? How to show that the water changes the pH from just ordinary to become more alkaline, you can say?
Alkaline.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this one is, for example, we use, so a lot of people drink this type of water, right? So just
A bottled water normally people buy from supermarket.
yeah, maybe David not much, just this much. Okay, because we're going to do, yeah, stop. And then make it the same. Use the bioglass water. Make it even. Yeah. Okay. Now, where is our test? Okay, sure. So guys, this is the pH test liquid made in Japan, from Osaka, Japan. Actually, where did we get this from? Where? From last time when we purchased Kangen water. We spent $6,000 for Kangen water.
Just want to know check the
pH and to change the water become alkaline. Yeah, this one is so very less money you have to spend. So how many drop? This is just 2, 3. Yeah.
3 drop.
Yeah, 3, 4. Doesn't matter. 3. So the same amount, maybe one more drop, David. 4. The same amount. See the difference? The one with the higher pH, it's turning blue, more darker, more bluish. This is just the normal water all of you always buy from the supermarket. So that's how to prove. Now we have different way also to show the power, yeah, David,
energy.
Yeah? Energy. So let's empty this water. Okay, David, use this water. Okay, yeah. Maybe just finish it there. this one using the Bioglass. Okay, so no, David, this is it. So this is the water. So I'm going to. Yep. So we have special tools to show to you that the Bioglass water is more bring the energy power. Okay, I'm going to turn off. So be careful, wait. I'll turn off the light. Oh, hang on, where's my mobile? Give me a second. So, okay, we're going to dip into the normal, yeah, okay, that's how strong. Okay, now turn off, hang on, let me wipe first. Okay, now David going to dip into the Bioglass water. See, wow, can you see the difference? Yeah, this is the Bioglass water, guys. It's so strong, so powerful. Okay, try one more time. I turn off. David, wipe please, and then dip into the water, just the mineral water a lot of us drink by daily basic. Okay, yeah, it's not as powerful than Bioglass water. One more time. David going to dip into the Bioglass water. Wow, yes, so that's the difference. You drink ordinary water, mineral water, compared to drink Bioglass water. Can you imagine if every day you drink water up to 75% our body is filled with water? You drink 2 to 3 liters a day, but just normal water, just for the sake of thirsty. From now on, you drink water, give energize to your body, make your body healthier, bring the healing also as natural, because inside your body is more oxygen, less acidic through the water with the high pH. And then you only invest one time with little amount of money compared to what you get, and you just drink. You can use tap water, and they come with the small version also, so handy. You can carry with you everywhere inside your drinking bottle. So guys, from now on, change your lifestyle. Start drinking Bioglass water. Stop drinking mineral water or ordinary water. Okay, keep your body healthy, and thank you for watching. I wish you all have a better life, better health with our Bioglass from MCI. For more details, more information, you can always contact me, chat me, WhatsApp me, and then I will explain more to you. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a good night. God bless you all. Thanks, David. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.